Welcome to Aston Brothers Carpentry Limited, trusted carpenters in Taunton. Based in Burnham-on-Sea, we regularly work in and around Taunton, delivering quality carpentry services across the southwest. For homeowners in Taunton, we provide first and second fix carpentry, doors, flooring, stairs, loft boarding, and bespoke joinery. Aston Brothers Carpentry Limited is led by Adrian and Darren Aston, bringing over 40 years of combined carpentry experience to every project. We also carry out kitchen renovations, roofing carpentry, timber cladding, decking, and timber garden offices and outbuildings. For commercial clients, we support fit-outs, maintenance, site carpentry, and specialist services including fire door installation. For trusted carpenters in Taunton, contact Aston Brothers Carpentry Limited today for a professional quote and expert advice. No matter if your project in Taunton is large or small, Aston Brothers Carpentry are available. Contact Aston Brothers Carpentry today. Call 07921 867 718 or visit astonbrotherscarpentry.co.uk.